In this video, I'll show you how to create payment link in PayPal Business 2026. First, log into your PayPal business account at PayPal using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you're on the business account view because payment links are only available for business users. Next, look at the left menu and click on Tools or Payments, depending on your interface version. If you don't see it immediately, click on the More Options section to expand the full menu. After that, find and click on the option called PayPal Buttons or Pay and Get Paid. In some updated versions, this may appear as invoicing or payment links. Once you're inside the Payment Tools section, click on Create New Link or Create Button. Then select the type of payment link you want to create, such as a Buy Now link, a service payment link, or a donation link depending on your business needs. Now enter the product or service details. Add a clear name, the price, and the currency you want to charge in. If you are selling services, you can also add optional fields like quantity, description, or custom notes for your customers. After that, choose whether the payment is a one-time payment or a recurring payment if your PayPal account supports subscriptions. Next, customize your payment settings. You can enable or disable options like shipping, taxes, or customer notes depending on what you are selling. Make sure everything is correct because this will affect how your customers see the payment page. Once everything is set, click Create Link or Create Button to generate your PayPal payment link. PayPal will then give you a URL that you can copy and share. You can send this link through email, social media, WhatsApp, or embed it on your website so customers can pay you directly. Finally, test your payment link by opening it in a new browser window to confirm it loads correctly and shows the right price and details. After that, you can start sharing it with your customers and track all incoming payments directly inside your PayPal business dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create payment link in PayPal Business 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.